Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. Today tutorial is related to different band combination of Landsat data. First one is a geological feature for band 7, 6 and 2. For this we use the tool I am showing you by selecting our software. This is the ArcMap, and first we find the geological one. So I am selecting all these bands. First I am going to show you how can type we find in this tutorial. First will be the geological feature one, and the second one will be the shortwave infrared. The shortwave infrared are used for to showing the part where is the green dense of our area, and the urban area are blue and the soil have various shade of brown. So let's start it. And one more we have is that is the agriculture one. Okay, so for agriculture one we have the agriculture monetized with the healthy vegetation appear in the dark green color, while the barrel earth part has showing with a magnetic blue color. So magnetic blue color have these color from blue to pink. So we starting to find these three kind of our band combinations and features. I'm going to first showing my study area to you with the help of Google Earth Pro, and this is my area. It is a part of Balochistan, and this area I have. So this is a mostly deserted part and with the ranges, so we need for it a geological feature. As you can see in this vegetation, but high mountainous and dry part here. So let's be fine. We have these band. First I need to open the band composite bands. First I find this one, which is a geological feature. We use in it the band 7 and 6 and 2. We keep it like in this position: 7, 6 and 2, as we name it geological feature of study area. For study area I use AOI, area of interest. Okay, simple. Okay, it will take time, so in this time I will showing my area to you like this one. As you can see, same is it like that which I have in a Google Earth Pro. This one. So let's go to our ArcMap, and it will take time. I escape the video. So as you can see, we have it. Now we apply for second. That is a shortwave infrared. We need to check what band I need for it. We need the band 7, 6 and 4. 7, 6 and 4. 7, not again 7, 6 and 4. Okay, now we give its part as a S. So here we give its name SWN, which represent to shortwave infrared. Okay, so simple. Okay, and it will take time. So okay, it will take time. So we do our last one, that is the agriculture one. 652. 652, we need this band 652. Okay, here we go. 6, 5 and 2. Okay, so here we give the name as agriculture. Simple. Okay, so it will proceed after the first one. If the first one completed, so it will proceed. So let us escape it. So as you can see, our agriculture one also will be done. So now here is a one thing more important, that is you need to select which band we keep for the agriculture. Here we need to keep for our good view of result. We select the band sequence. The red and green has a 3 and the blue has a 2. So you will get the result before and after that by changing the band types. So okay, it will represent as according to our research one. Here you can read it. This healthy vegetation will be represented as a dark green, and with the magnetic as a barren earth. So here you can see more magnetic blue color. Wait a minute, I uncheck other one. So you can see here later part of the area have a vegetation and healthy vegetation, and the light green color represents, and yellow color represent has a weak vegetation area, because it is a deserted area part. So here is the farmland, have less water for it, and not a healthy vegetation there. So on the top of the mountains there is some places have a healthy vegetation, so we find it easily by this combination. So now I going for the next one. This is the shortwave infrared, and these also used for the vegetation to identify. We use its band as a 1, 3 and 2. 1, 3 and 2 for our good view. As you can see, these also showing this part where the vegetation present. So now I uncheck it and select the geological one. So the geological one I select for it the 3 and 1 and 1. So here you can see the difference is that you can easily see where is the fault and where is the ranges and where is the mountain part and where is the highest peak of area. So this you can easily identify the stream and the ranges of the area, which help you to identify your area accordingly to geological features. So I hope today video will be help you in according to these 3 parameters. So for more informative videos, you need to subscribe our channel, and for more informative and indices and techniques, you stay with us. Thank you so much.